I'm working 10 times as harder, right? If I'm laying block and brick and I'm dirty and I'm smelly and I'm dressed, um, I'm ugly, not attractive, right? How come I'm making less money to the one that's driving the Ferrari, the Lambo, or the Rolls Royce, et cetera, right? And so what happens is we need to understand the system so that if you understand the system, you can capitalize on the system. And so my message is simple. My message is simple. My message is clear. A lot of people say, well, who are you? Where'd you come from? What makes you qualified to speak about these topics? And you got to understand that at the end of the day, we all want that same thing. So I'm going to connect with you and remind you that we all want that same thing. That same thing is always going to be financially free, to be in financial freedom. And so that's how I can connect with you. And so again, my name is Baruma Cliff. I'm from a third world country. My resume in life and in the work life and in the sentimental life has been extensive. And this has just been a little 5%, 10% retail of what's happened. But my message to you again is there's three levels of wealth. There's levels to wealth. And so the levels of wealth that I'm referring to is level one is going to be 0% interest credit cards and getting you some corporations, which are shelf corporations, because banks don't like rookies, right? You've got to speak a different type of lingo, a different type of language. You've got to learn a different type of language. You've got to learn a different type of skill, a different type of vocabulary. That way you can capitalize and you can learn. That way you can capitalize and you can learn a new skill to upgrade yourself, invest in real estate, and then truly retire all your loved ones. So my corporation, the one I've got right now, I've got 7 corporations now, but the one where I do the business funding and credit repair as a business consultant, because that's what I am, is called PRBE Capital, Prosperity Restoration Battalion Enterprises, right? And so you have prosperity that you have lost, that you are in lack. There's scarcity in your prosperity, right? So you need a battalion that's going to restore it, right? So it's called PRBE Capital, Prosperity Restoration Battalion Enterprises. My name is Baruma Cliff, and I got a team of trained people that I have trained through my reputation is on the line. And so I need you to succeed, because if you don't succeed, then my reputation is on the line and I go down. Remember McDonald's? McDonald's was in the business